Welcome to the installation guide for 3W liners. Before installation, clear away dirt and debris. Then place the driver's side floor mat into position and slide the mat's rubber retaining tab underneath the seat track. After installing the all-weather base mat, add the soft carpet layer to suit your needs. Line up the retention clip with the factory mounting point and press down firmly to secure the mat. Now, repeat the same process for the front passenger side. Position the mat carefully and make sure all edges sit flush against the floor for a clean, custom fit. Install the rear floor mat, slide it into position, and adjust it to make it fit. Slide the mat's rubber retaining tab underneath the seat track. After installing the all-weather base mat, add the soft carpet layer to suit your needs. Position the mat flat against the rear seat back, making sure each cutout is properly aligned with the corresponding seat back opening. Install the mats in the lower frunk and rear underfloor storage compartments, making sure each one sits flat and fits securely along the edges. Finally, place the trunk mats into the trunk. Make sure to align all the edges carefully to get maximum protection from 3W's floor mat. That's it! Your 3W liners are now fully installed and ready to protect your Tesla Model 3. Thank you for watching.